Hello. Today we will discuss drugs containing glycosides, and the drugs are, first is the aloe, and the second drug is the picroreja. So first we start with the aloes. Synonym: aloe, Ghrit Kumari. Biological source: aloe is the dried juice of the leaves of Aloe barbadensis, which is commercially known as Curacao aloes, or of Aloe perai, commercially known as Socotrin aloes, or of Aloe ferox, and hybrids of the species with Aloe africana and Aloe spicata, which in commerce is known as Cape aloes. Geographical source: aloe is cultivated in southern and eastern Africa. It is also found in some parts of the Europe and in various parts of India. Next is the microscopic characters, or you can say the description. So first we will discuss the Curacao aloes. Its form is opaque masses. It is found in opaque masses. Its color is brownish black. Odor is strong and pleasant, and taste is disagreeable or bitter taste. Second is Socotrin aloes. It is found in opaque masses. Its color is reddish black to brownish black. Odor is slight. Taste is bitter taste or disagreeable taste. Third is Cape aloes. It is found in transparent forms. Color is dark brown or greenish brown. Odor is sour, little bit sour taste. Odor is little bit sour, but we can say that it has a distinct odor. Taste is nauseating and bitter taste. Now the chemical constituents of the drug. Aloe are the major sources of anthraquinone glycosides. The chief constituent of the drug is aloin, and it is present up to an extent of 30%. Aloin is a mixture of three isomers, namely barbaleon, beta barbaleon, and isobarbaleon. So the proportion of these three isomers varies in the different commercial varieties of aloes. So first we talk about the barbaleon. It is a crystalline, water-soluble glycoside and is present in all the varieties of aloes. Beta barbaleon. It is amorphous and produced from barbaleon by heating at 165 degrees centigrade. It is present in Cape aloes up to extent of 8%. Third is isobarbaleon, which is a crystalline isomeric glycoside present in Curacao aloes, and in traces it is present in Cape aloes. And in traces it is present in Cape aloes. Aloe also contains allosin, allotic acid, chrysopanic acid, chrysaminic acid, galactouronic acid, choline, saponins, and coniferyl alcohols. Aloe also contains a resin ester, which is formed from paracaumaric acid with aloe resinol and is known as aloe resin. Now the chemical test. The most important test is modified bond triggers test. In this test, 0.1 gram of the drug is taken and to it 5 ml of 5% solution of ferric chloride is added and 5 ml of dilute hydrochloric acid is added. Then heat it on water bath for 5 minutes. Cool it and filter it. To the filtrate, add organic solvent like benzene and shake it. Then separate the benzene layer and add equal amount of dilute ammonia. A pinkish red color is formed in ammonical layer, which confirms the presence of anthraquinone glycosides. Second test is bromine test. In this, equal amount of bromine solution is added to the solution of aloe. A yellow precipitate confirms the presence of glycosides. Next test is nitrous acid test. In this, a aqueous solution of aloes are prepared and a crystal of sodium nitrite along with small quantity of acetic acid is added. Then the following observations are there. If Curaçao aloes is present, then it gives a pink color, a sharp pink color is observed. If Cape aloes are there, then it gives faint pink color. Next test is nitric acid test. To the 5 ml solution of aloes, a 2 ml of concentrated nitric acid is added. Then there are following observation. If Curaçao aloes are there, then it gives deep brownish red color. If Socotrine aloes are there, then it gives pale brownish yellow color. And if Cape aloes are there, it gives first brown, then it changes to green. Next test is cupraloin test. In this, a dilute aqueous solution of aloes, a drop of saturated copper sulfate solution is added. And then a small quantity of sodium chloride is added, and in the last, excess amount of 90% alcohol is added. Then the following observations are there. If Curaçao aloes are there, it gives wine red color. Socotrine aloes gives no color. And Cape aloes gives that a Cape aloe, in the case of Cape aloes, a faint coloration will be there, which rapidly changes to yellow color. Next is uses of aloe. Aloe is widely used as purgative because of its intensely irritating effects on delicate mucosal lining. Aloe is rarely administered alone. If it is administered alone or if it is used alone, then it causes gripping effect. Therefore, it is combined with carminatives and antispasmodics. Ointment of aloe gel are widely used to treat sunburns, thermal burns, radiation burns, abrasions, and skin irritations. So these were the aloes. Now, of other variety, Indian aloe is a very common nowadays in our India. So Indian aloe is obtained from aloe vera. So this is probably the same species as of Aloe barbadensis. Nowadays the aloe vera, Indian aloe, has gained a much reputation, has become a popular, and it is widely used in cosmetic industries, health industries, food industries. Aloe vera gel is widely used to relieve the pain caused due to sunburns or thermal burns. It is also used to treat wounds, skin irritations, cuts and bruises. So Indian aloe has become very popular nowadays. Next drug is Picrorhiza. Synonym: Indian gentian. In Hindi we call as kutki. Biological source: Picrorhiza is the dried rhizomes of Picrorhiza curava, belonging to family Scrofulariaceae. Geographical source: this plant grows at an altitude of 2,700 meters to 5,000 meters in Himalayas, Kashmir, Sikkim. It is also found in UP and some parts of the Himachal Pradesh. Macroscopic characters. Color: externally, rhizomes are deep greyish brown in color, and in inner surface is black with whitish wood. Odor is slightly unpleasant. Taste: bitter. Shape: subcylindrical or slightly curved. Size: 3 to 6 centimeter long and 0.5 to 1 centimeter broad. Chemical constituents of the drug. The drug contains iridoid glycosides, namely picroside 1, picroside 2 and kutcoside. It also contains cathartic acid, and this cathartic acid is a laxative. Uses: it is used as bitter tonic, stomachic and antipyretic. It is also used as laxative in large doses because it contains cathartic acid. It is also used in jaundice and hepatitis. Thanks. Take care.